Good morning, students. Welcome to Geography class, and today we will read chapter number 20, that is Major Occupations in India about industries. As we all know, that nature has given us so many resources, but we cannot use them unless they are processed. So, industries are the centers where we manufacture useful products from the raw materials. After processing, for example, cloth is made from cotton, sugar from the sugarcane, machines and utensils from iron and aluminium, and there are different types of industries in India that convert the raw materials into finished goods. Now let's read about the objectives of the industrial policy. What are the aims? Following are the objectives of the industrial policy, that is to maintain a sustained growth in productivity. It helps us to sustain the growth of productivity. It helps in enhancing the gainful employment. It gives employment to a lot of people. To achieve optimal utilizations of human resources, to attain international competitiveness, and also to transform India into a major partners and players in the global arena. Factors required to set up an industries. The search for industrial development began soon after the independence in 1947, and the economic reforms started in 1991. The industrial policy has been continuously liberalized over the years, and the following are the factors required to set up an industries. That is, first of all, to set up an industry, the requirement is raw material, then machines, latest technology, powers, skilled and unskilled labor, finance, transport facilities, and market. Then types of industries. On the basis of the size and investment, industries can be divided into three categories, that are cottage industries, small scale industries, and large scale industry. First, let's read about the cottage industry. When a few people work and make things at home with simple tools and produce goods like handlooms, shoes, shawl, blankets, baskets, and toys, etc., that is called a cottage industry, and it requires minimum resources and investment. Small scale industry. When more people work in a small factories and use small machines and produce goods like hosiery garments, utensils, plastic goods, tools, and small machines. This is called a small scale industries. It requires more resources, more investment, and manpower than cottage industry. Then large scale industry. In a large scale industry, huge machines with the latest technology and heavy investments are required. It also requires hundreds of workers along with engineers and technicians. Textile and iron, steel, cement, automobile industries, railway engine coach factories, shipbuilding, and oil refineries, etc., are an example of large scale industries. The large scale industries are generally located in the areas that are connected to major business centers, and these are found in the areas where the raw materials and sources of powers are easily available. Iron and steel, cotton textile, woolen textile, etc., are the large scale industries of India. And on the basis of the types of raw materials, industries are also divided into two categories, that is, agro based industry and mineral based industry. Now, first of all, let's read about the agro based industry. These industries are used, they use agricultural products as a raw material. For example, cotton, jute, sugarcane, and oilseed, etc., are included in the category of the agro based industries. And mineral based industries that use minerals like iron ore, limestone, petroleum as their raw materials, they included in this category of the mineral based industry. Then let's read about some agro based industries like cotton textile. These mills are located mostly around Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Kanpur, Madurai, Bengaluru, Chennai, Coimbatore, Varanasi, and Panipat. Silk textile are mostly located in Bengaluru, Mysore, Kanchipuram, Coimbatore, Surat, Murshidabad, Varanasi, and Bhagalpur. Then woolen textile. Woolen textile mills are mostly located in Amritsar, Ludhiana, Panipat, Kanpur, Mumbai, Mirzapur, Jamnagar, and Srinagar. Jute mills. Most of the jute mills are located in and around Kolkata. The main centers are Kolkata, Risra, Titagarh, Howrah, and Naihati. Then sugar mills. These are located in the sugarcane producing states of Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, and Tamil Nadu. Now let's read about some mineral based industries. Iron and steel plant. Most of them are located near the coal and iron ore mining regions. The main centers are Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Bokaro, Durgapur, Raurkela, Salem, Vishakhapatnam, and Bonpur. Then railway equipment industries. Railway equipment industries are located in Chittaranjan, Varanasi, Kapurthala, Jamshedpur, Kolkata, and Priyambur. Then automobile factories. Automobile factories are located in Gurgaon, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Jabalpur, Jamshedpur, and Nasik. Then about electronic goods industries. Electric good industries are located in Bengaluru, Mumbai, Chennai, Coimbatore, Pune, Lucknow, Kolkata, Delhi, and Panchkula. Shipbuilding industries. Ships are built at shipyards of Kochi, Vishakhapatnam, Mumbai, and Marmagaon. Then aeroplane manufacturing units. Aeroplanes are made in government owned factories in Bengaluru, Lucknow, Nasik, Hyderabad, and Koraput. India has made notable progress in the field of industries after independence. These industries are growing rapidly, and our trade has also increased due to these industries. These industries providing employment to the thousands of people, and these are helping to increase the prosperity of our nation. Then last is information technology industries, that is IT industry. The IT industry is getting new heights nowadays. Bengaluru is its new hub, and it has necessary infrastructure needed for the IT industry. Eminent and large IT companies such as Infosys, Tata Consultancy Service, that is TCS, IBM, Microsoft, Wipro, and Google have established their offices in Bengaluru. The Electronic City and Software Technology Parks STP is also here. Bengaluru is also called the Silicon Valley of India. So that's all in this chapter. Thank you.